friends, welcome to lesson 65 of the First Lessons book by Julio Sagreras. Let's get our hands ready to perform. We're going to have a C major chord shape in the left hand. We're going to bring finger 3 to string number 5, fret number 3, finger 2 to string number 4, fret number 2, and finger 1 to string number 2, fret number 1. Our right hand is going to need to start with the thumb on string number 5, the index on string number 4, the middle finger on string number 3, and finally the ring finger on string number 2, all adjacent strings. Now we're going to get our right hand a little bit hovering over the strings, but very close, so it is easier to pluck when we start. And with this in mind, we begin to play measure number 1. We're going to press all the fingers on the left hand, and we're going to pluck thumb, index, middle, ring, and then index, middle, ring, index, middle, ring, index, middle. And that's measure number 1. Let's see and hear that again. Measure number 1 gives us the finger picking pattern that we're going to be using throughout the entire lesson. So let's get a little bit of analysis on it. We're going to divide it into 2 groups of 3 strokes each. Group number 1 is thumb, index, middle. And group number 2 is ring, index, middle. The entire finger picking pattern is group number 1 once and group number 2 3 times. It goes like this: group number 1, group number 2, again 2, and again 2, giving us a total of 12 strokes. And the entire lesson is going to have this finger picking pattern, except for the very last measure that has one small variation, but we will get into that when its time is due. To play measure number 2, we're going to need to bring our finger 2 to string number 5, fret number 2, finger 3 to string number 4, fret number 3. We're going to need the open 3rd string, and finger 4 goes to string number 2, fret number 3. The finger picking pattern is exactly the same as we saw in measure number 1. Thumb, index, middle, ring, index, middle, ring, index, middle, ring, index, middle. Besides the order of the fingers of the right hand, we're also doing something very interesting. We're trying to get more volume out of the ring finger. So when we play, we're going to play to get the top voice over everything else. Before going into measure number 3, I want to touch on something very important, and it is the transition from one position to the next one in regards to the left hand. Let's see the transition from measure number 1, a C major shape, to measure number 2. So we play measure number 1, and then when we want to go into measure number 2, instead of placing the entire position of the left hand before starting the plucking, we're going to be adding one finger at a time and play it as we add it. So finger 2 goes to its place, we pluck it with the thumb, and then we bring finger 3 to its place and we pluck it with the index, we pluck open 3rd string as finger 4 goes to its place and we pluck it. Once we have that position, we're going to keep it there and just complete the rest of the finger picking pattern. And this note per note approach is convenient to do throughout the lesson. It is going to maybe feel a little bit more difficult than placing the entire position before stroking with the right hand, but once you get it, it is going to improve the flow and the stability of that flow of the music as you play it. It is definitely worth achieving. Let's look at measure number 1 and 2. Measure number 3 is going to require our right hand to change its strings. The thumb is going to remain on the 5th string, but all the other fingers are going to move to the very next string below. We have index in the 4th string, middle on the 3rd string, and ring on the 2nd string. We're going to move them in such a way that now index has string number 3, middle finger deals with string number 2, and the ring finger deals with string number 1. And to start playing measure number 3, we need finger 1 on string number 5, fret number 1. We block it, open third string, finger 2 goes to string number 2, fret number 1, and then open first. Once we have that position, we only need to complete the finger picking pattern. To go into measure number 4, we're going to start with an open 5th string, finger 3 on string number 3, fret number 2, finger 1 on string number 2, fret number 1, and finger 2 on string number 1, fret number 1. With that position, we complete the finger picking pattern. Let's have a listen to measures number 1 through measure number 4. Measure number 5 is going to introduce a little variation. The right hand is going to keep doing the same thing, the same finger picking pattern, but on beat 4, we're going to have a change of note on the main melody. Let's see how that works. We start with an open 5th string, open 3rd, finger 2 goes to string number 2, fret number 2, and finger 1 goes to string number 1, fret number 1. We continue with the finger picking pattern. And on beat 4, we play an open 1st string. Notice how the right hand doesn't change what it has been doing. It's only the left hand that adds the variation. Let's see measure number 5 one more time. Measure number 6 is going to require a change of strings for the right hand. Thumb stays on string number 5, ring finger stays on string number 1, but index goes to string number 4 and middle finger goes to string number 3. We're going to have a little bit of a separation between the middle finger and the ring finger. This might feel uncomfortable at first, but with a few days of practice it's going to feel quite normal. Finger picking pattern is going to remain the same, and we are going to start plucking string number 5. We bring finger number 3 to string number 4, fret number 3, finger number 2 to string number 3, fret number 2, and we play open 1st. We continue with the finger picking pattern, and at the beginning of beat 4, we bring finger 4 to string number 2, fret number 3, and we finish the finger picking pattern. Let's see and listen that measure again. 4 and A. Let's see measure number 5 and 6. 4 and A. To play measure 7, we are going to leave finger 2 right where we have it, string number 3, fret number 2. But we are going to remove finger 4 and finger 3. So measure number 7 starts with an open 5th, open 4th, open 3rd, and then finger 1 goes to string number 2, fret number 1, and we block it with the ring finger. And then we complete the finger picking pattern. Measure number 7 brings our ring finger close to middle finger, so we have a closed position between all the fingers of the right hand. The right hand is going to stay on the same strings for measure number 8, and the left hand is going to start measure number 8 with the exact same position that we finished measure 7. To begin measure 8, we bring finger 3 to string number 6, fret number 3, and we pluck it with the thumb, and then we continue the finger picking pattern. But on beat number 3, we remove finger 1 to get an open 2nd string, and then we bring finger 4 to string number 4, fret number 3, and we continue the finger picking pattern. Let's see measure 8 once again. 4 and A. Before moving forward, let's see measures 5 to 8. 4 and A. From measure 9 to measure 14, we have an exact repetition of measures 1 through 6. Let's have a listen to the section. I'm actually going to start on measure number 8 to see the full transition. So from measure number 8 to 14, slowly. 4 and you may have noticed an indication of ritardando and a tempo. We will deal with that after we have seen where to place all our fingers. To play measure 15, we need to take into consideration how our left hand ended at the end of measure 14. We have finger 3 on string 4, finger 2 on string number 3, and finger 4 on string number 2. The very first note of measure 15 requires finger 3 to go to string number 6, fret number 3. So we're going to need it to move relatively quickly from string number 4 to string number 6 as we remove the other fingers and we pluck string number 6 with the thumb. Finger 2 goes to string number 4, fret number 2, open third with middle, as finger 2 goes to string number 2, fret number 1, and we pluck it with the ring finger. We continue with index and middle, thumb, and then we need to bring finger 4 to string number 4, fret number 3, as we remove the other fingers and we pluck index, middle, ring, index, and middle. Let's do measure 15 once again. 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and To go into measure 16, we bring finger 3 to string number 5, fret number 3, and we remove the other fingers. We pluck string number 5 with the thumb. We bring finger 2 to string 4, fret 2, pluck it with index, third string, open with middle finger, as we bring finger number 1 to string number 2, fret number 1, and pluck it with the ring finger, index, middle, and thumb. And we keep that sonority for 2 beats. Measures 15 and 16 change the pattern that we have been playing so far. Let's see those 2 measures once again. 4 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. Now let's talk about measures 8 and 9 and the indications of tempo. We have rit and then a line connecting it to a tempo. Rit is abbreviation for ritardando, which requires us to delay the entrance of each note that is involved or covered by the ritardando line. And then a tempo means to play again at the original speed or at the original tempo. Let's see measure number 8 and 9 without the ritardando. 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and now I'm going to play measures 8 and 9 again, and I'm going to do the ritardando and the tempo, and I'm going to exaggerate the ritardando a lot so it is very obvious how it affects the music beneath it. So we start with 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and Now I am going to do the ritardando and the a tempo, but I'm actually going to start from measure 7, so the ritardando is more clearly perceived. So going to measure number 7, 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and How cool is that? The ritardando and the tempo add a layer of interpretation and of emotion that makes a huge difference in what we feel when we hear and play this music. And with this, we conclude the tutorial for this lesson number 65 of the first lessons book by Julio Sagreras. As usual, in the description box you will find a link to a play-along video and to other useful resources. If you have any comments, questions, or suggestions, feel free to place them in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one, and as always, keep enjoying the process.